So how to turn off Samsung A56? I will show the three different method. Open your control menu, press and hold. Then you can see the power off option, restart, anything. And next thing is volume down and power button together. When your screen is not working, then you can see the power option is available here. And another thing, if you already have set up Bixby, then Bixby turn off my phone.
Are you sure?
Then if you press on power off, your phone will be turned off. And if you press on this power button, then you can see Bixby is enabled. If you want to change it, then press two button together, side button setting. Then you can see the long press as Bixby, select as power off menu. Now if you press the button, then your phone will be turned off. And press and hold. Two button press and hold. Then your phone will be turned off. Thank you. Have a good day.